Search for keywords and enter Factory IO. Press search. Click on Factory IO official website. It supports many PLCs, such as clicking on Siemens PLC. Or the FPLC series. For these two brands, Factory IO, there actually supports their hardware PLC and simulator. We first choose the free version to practice. Enter the relevant information and click to download. Click to install. Because Factory IO is a 3D factory simulation software, it is recommended to configure the computer better, and it is best to have an independent graphics card. It is recommended that the hard disks are SSDs instead of HDDs, then the speed and efficiency of installing and running the software will be much improved.
"2,000 years later."
After the installation is successful, click icon to execute the program. The welcome interface provides many examples and website files so that both beginners and veterans can get the information they want. For example, click on Alan Bradley's PLC example. There is a lot of relevant information in it. Or software version update related information, etc. Entering the project, you can see the scene like a 3D game screen. Just put the project action in the mood of playing the game. Like the game, the 4 buttons of the WASD on the keyboard are to move forward, backward, left and right. Press and hold the right mouse button to move the viewing direction. The control in the options is the keyboard shortcut keys used by the software project. It is recommended to use the shortcut keys to improve the user experience. The buttons in the upper right row are the shortcut keys that will be used during execution. For example, these two are the perspective flight mode and human walking mode. This button is a toolbox. You can drag and drop anything you need to place objects in the factory. This button is the I/O display status of the object or not. Set the function of the camera lens. Once set, you can quickly switch the viewing angle. Press the Execute button F4 to start the project simulation. Of course, there is no setting so no objects are running. After pressing Stop, the toolbox on the right will resume.